Well, everyone, as most of you know, iOS 26.2 has just came out. And the thing I can definitely tell you about iOS 26.2 is that this is a great update if you're on iOS 26. But for every other person, I don't really think it's the move. I don't think if you're on iOS 18, you should install it. And on my iOS 18 device, my iPhone 15 Pro, I'm actually not installing iOS 26.2. And the reason why I'm not doing that, the main reason for this, is because I would rather have my stability and better battery life than more features and potential glitches. So the problem that we're having here with something like iOS 26.2 is that you have a really high possibility of kind of running into some glitches and some battery issues. So I think for current generation iPhones like an iPhone 17 where you don't have a choice, then it obviously makes sense to install it. If you are on something like an iPhone 16, even that would maybe make sense for some people. But if you're on a device like an iPhone, 15 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro, those ones, I don't really think it makes a lot of sense to install that type of update because there is a high likelihood of running into those types of problems. So that is kind of the situation that we're kind of running into here now. So when it comes down to it, that is kind of the main way to kind of think about it. I think otherwise though, if you're going to go through and install it, it could be worse, but I don't really think this is the way I'd recommend going through with it. And honestly, that's kind of the main issue that I'm running into here, that I probably wouldn't install iOS 26.2 on my main device. So in terms of that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.